Hey everyone, it's Priyanka here from Story Factory in Parramatta, coming at you on Darug Country. Look, I love a good short story and I love long feature length novels. And I don't know about you, but I wish I had the time to write more like that. Unfortunately, we don't have the time to do anything like that today, but I am going to show you how to write a short story in just 3 sentences. That's right, ondu, rendu, mundu sentences that have a beginning, a middle, and an end. And all we need to do is insert a character, a place, and an action to finish it off. I'm going to show you how to write the first sentence. Now, before we start, I do need to confess, I find it pretty tricky to come up with ideas. And often I find my inspo comes from the mundane, like the everyday. Perhaps something I've seen when I was on a walk or when I was driving to work or when I'm just kind of strolling the aisles of Aldi. So to help any of those of you who might be stuck, I did go for a bit of a photo walk today in Para, and I've uploaded some of those pics and you can find them on the grid to help with your creative juices. If you do, by the end of this video, find this workshop was really fun, you can find more activities in our posts and our highlights. All right, before we get started, let's create a little grid that includes our character, our plot, and our setting. Or, the person who we're focusing on, the location, and the action that they're doing. Now, I'm only going to run through one of my sentences with you, and at the end, when I'm finished, you can find a new post where you can hear me reading my completed story. So the first person I'm going to start with is a woman. The action that I've got her doing is rummaging, which is kind of like digging through something. And the place that I've got her set in is the laneway near where we work. So I'm going to add a little more flavor by adding adjectives and adverbs, or descriptive language and doing words. So I've got the old scarfed woman, crooked knuckles like her crooked back, and then the action I've got her doing is rummaging through bags, sorting cans into one bag, bottles into the other, long life milk and juice poppers into yet another. And the place that I've got her in is in front of a trolley that she has wrestled down from Westfield and parked that morning in the little laneway in between 2 high-rise concrete slabs. All right, so after that, let's sew it together, make it a little less clunky and a little more fluent, and hear what it sounds like as a beautiful description of this woman in a laneway with a trolley. The old scarfed woman, crooked knuckles like her crooked back, stood bent over, rummaging through bags, sorting cans into one bag, bottles into the other, long life milk and juice poppers into yet another, in a trolley she had wrestled down from Westfield and parked that morning in the little laneway in between 2 high-rise concrete slabs. Okay, there you have it. That's the first sentence to a really simple 3-sentence story. You can view the reading of my completed one in the posts. Now, we'd love to hear from you and we'd love to read your story. So make sure you post yours and tag at Story Factory Publishing. And if you want to do more activities like this one, you can join our workshops by sending us a DM.